them know that
Sure.
everything you're doing is okay.
Sure.
You're not doing anything wrong.
Right.
What was your name and badge number, sir?
I don't have anything else to say.
You don't have my permission to record me.
I'm sorry?
You don't have my permission to record me. Please stop recording me.
I have your permission to record you?
No, you don't.
You want me to keep recording?
No, I don't want you to record. I'm going to call the police if you keep recording me.
You want me to keep recording you?
No, I
Okay,
don't.
got it. I will
No,
keep
don't.
recording you, ma'am.
No, I don't.
Have a good day. Thank you for your cooperation.
No, I don't.
Thank you for your consent. Ma'am, you can't record me.
Oh, you need to
Please stop recording me, ma'am.
No, you need to stop.
That's very illegal. I'm gonna call the police.
I will call the police.
If you record me, I'm gonna call the police.
Okay.
Look, I'll give you my OnlyFans if you want to see videos of me.
No.
I'll give you a discount to my OnlyFans. What you're doing is very immoral and illegal. Call the police. I'm sorry? What am I doing? I'm a video recording, sir. I'm recording all the customers in the drive-thru, yes.
Put your camera somewhere else. Go film somebody else, dude. Move away. You do not have my permission to film me.
I can't hear you, sir.
You do not have my permission to film us. Move your camera away.
I can't hear you, sir. A little louder? Hey, sir.
I just let them know that
Sure.
everything you're doing is okay.
Sure.
You're not doing anything wrong.
Right.
As long as you're not impeding traffic into the store, as long as you're not disturbing the customers inside,
Of course.
as long as you're not loitering inside the store.
Exactly, exactly.
Everything's fine.
Sure, sure.
Everything outside is all public for you guys.
Right, right.
All right. Just
So-
do me a solid though. You know, it's up to you guys. I can't tell you
Right, right.
what to do and what not to do.
Of
But
course.
if you can, just make sure you don't make any more calls for service here. That way we don't take away officers from other.
Oh, I didn't call you, sir.
I know. Just
I didn't call you,
know,
sorry.
just if you
Right,
can
right.
do your best to try to prevent any other calls for service.
Oh, I didn't know people were calling you, or sort of told them to not call you.
Okay.
Because there's no reason to call you.
Exactly.
You know, there's really no reason to
Exactly.
call
This
you.
is-
So,
this isn't like a crime or anything. But
Right, right.
I just
So-
don't want to divert officers from like actual calls.
oh, I don't either, sir.
All right.
I don't either. But sir, right? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. So, did you tell the employees to maybe educate the drive-thru people to not call you guys? And
Yeah, so I told
Yeah,
her
yeah.
everything that you guys are doing is okay.
Right, right, right.
There's nothing we can do. And everything, license plates, faces, signs, stores.
just like they're recording, there's video cameras outside the building. You know.
Exactly.
So,
I don't have a business card. I can give you my information though. Yeah.
but can you see how it's ridiculous that people are calling over video cameras? I mean, do you think that's kind of overboard, or?
Well, you know, I can't say yes or no to what people find is emergency for.
Right, right, right.
Want to call police.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'll give you my information.
Yeah, our intent is not to go on property or break any laws or anything like that.
You know what?
I'm just here.
I really appreciate that silence.
Right,
for
right.
the
No, you're
moment.
fine. You're fine.
I really
I've gotten worse than
appreciate
that. So,
man.
yeah.
And do you guys want the event?
He does. I don't need anything. But.
We could go on a property.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Just as long as you don't impede traffic going in and out of the store. And, you know,
No.
5 George 13. Can I get the last four, please?
0307 0307.
How's your Thanksgiving?
It was solid, man.
Nice.
It was solid. How about your guys'?
Not bad. Not bad.
I think that's 2 pieces of paper, but if one's blanking, just throw it away. All right, gentlemen. Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you.
all right?
I appreciate
Happy
you.
holidays.
Appreciate you.
Why do everyday citizens automatically equate feeling uncomfortable with an actual criminal violation? Under the landmark Supreme Court ruling, Katz v. United States, individuals in plain view from a traditional public forum hold zero reasonable expectation of privacy, establishing that what a person knowingly exposes to the public is not protected by the Fourth Amendment. While business patrons may subjectively perceive unwanted recording as invasive harassment, law enforcement correctly acknowledged that absent specific reasonable articulable suspicion, RAS, or criminal obstruction under Terry v. Ohio, peaceful First Amendment recording is fully constitutionally protected and cannot be restricted.
You don't want any trouble or anything? We just want to ask you real quick. What's the deal? You doing a school project or something, or
Just taking pictures.
just taking pictures? Okay. Listen, man, I don't mean to. I know we got 2 other officers coming, and we just stopped you, but it's just after what happened last year, we're a little jumpy after that. So, I mean, you can imagine why it's a little bit disconcerting for us. Is there any other reasons why you're out here? You're just taking pictures, that's it?
Taking pictures.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with that.
All right. Well, you do know, obviously, that if you step onto our property, that would be trespassing. So as long as you stay on the sidewalk,
Even in the public area?
that's not a public area, that's our property. Unless you
In
have,
there?
nope.
That's not public?
Unless you have legitimate business with us, like you need to make a report with us or something, then
How you doing?
sidewalk's where you got to stay.
All
Okay?
right.
You hear me? So as long as you do that, dude, it's whatever else you do is totally cool with us. Okay? All right.
All right. And may I have everyone's name and badge number?
Sure, what's your name?
Not gonna give that.
Huh?
Won't give that.
Okay, that's cool.
What's going on? I just walked up, so I don't know what's...
It's fine.
We were just about to pull out. We saw you taking pictures. Is that for like a school project or an activist?
I don't want to answer that,
Okay.
unfortunately.
All right, well, I just want to know what's going on.
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Sure, we can get those apartments.
Oh, yeah, we're good, brother.
There's mine.
Thank
Here you
you.
go, man. All yours, man. Hey, like I said, after what happened last year, dude, we're just a little antsy. We're just a little antsy, okay? Kind of makes us a little nervous, okay? That's the only thing that.
Man, I haven't even been here it's like 5 seconds or 30 seconds.
What's that, man? I can't hear
I
you.
haven't even been here 30 seconds.
Okay, well, like I said, we had somebody else do. I don't know if it was you yesterday. We had somebody else doing the same thing, okay? So
Yes, it
don't
was
be
me
alarmed.
yesterday.
What's that?
It was me yesterday.
It was you? Okay. Hey, if you've got other officers just looking at you, watching you, like I said, don't be alarmed. We're just, like I said, we're a little bit on edge, especially after what happened last year, okay? But as long as you stay on the sidewalk, you can do whatever you want, okay? No big deal.
Okay.
All right?
Oh, as long as it's legal. Yeah. But
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
Just to specify that. You think for anything specific that we can help you with, or?
Well, I'm just out taking pictures, just walking through. I mean, that's about it.
Yeah, you got us right at a shift change, so that's why there's so many of us.
And I actually called in today to speak to a supervisor. I was unable to speak to one. I don't need one now. But
you can actually go inside the police station and speak to the supervisor right now if you like.
well, it's about Officer Barker.
Barker. Okay.
She informed me something that's incorrect.
Okay.
You know, she told me if I was taking pictures of any license plates here or any vehicles, which I wasn't,
Okay.
that it's illegal.
Like I said, if you want to speak to the supervisor, you can walk right in there.
Like I said, if you've got legitimate business here, if you want to speak to your supervisor, we can walk in with you and you can talk to her real quick. You want to do that?
I can go in there and talk with her.
You go.
Or if she can come out here, again, I don't.
Well,
I don't think so.
we'd have to get a field sergeant for that. She's a station sergeant, so she needs to be in there. Because we're
Okay.
busy, man. We got a lot of calls. We have a lot of stuff going on. If you go in there, she could talk to you, but she needs to stay at her post because she's the only person there that can handle that right now.
We can get you a field sergeant. Is that what you want?
Yeah, we have field sergeants that are out. That's what they're there for.
Well, also I called earlier and they said that a supervisor wasn't available as well.
And sometimes
Well,
that
that,
happens.
Yes.
it's Dallas, man. I'm gonna be honest with you.
And
Sometimes.
the other reason why I'm here is they didn't really seem concerned about my actual concern about people walking up to me with guns.
With gun?
Yes, officers with guns.
Oh, well-
Those with guns in response to a camera.
Okay, well, we don't have our guns out, sir, but we're required to carry them with
We have a
us. That's
supervisor
part of
right
our
here for, like,
policy.
60
I understand, but as you say, things that happened last year, I've had officers pull guns on me before asking for my wallet.
got their
So
guns
I understand.
Because we had somebody actually come to a station before with guns in their car, threatening to shoot the station. Recently, too.
Very recent.
Recently, actually about a
It's a
month
sergeant
ago.
right here, man.
So that's why we're a little on edge.
Okay.
So we have a field sergeant here if you want to speak with him.
Well, y'all actually blocked my way, but
Oh.
I mean,
What's going on, bro?
nothing much. How you doing?
I'm just fine. We're pretty busy, so what is
Yeah.
it that I can help you out with?
Well, I was just walking through. They all came up to me.
Okay, so you going this way?
Well, I was just going to take some pictures and be on my
We
way.
prefer that you don't.
I mean, but I'm allowed to.
We're not. Listen, we'll prefer that you don't.
I understand you prefer that I don't, but I understand this is illegal activity.
That's fine.
Correct,
If you want to take a picture,
Yes.
take a picture. We'll prefer that you don't. We ask
understand
that you give the Dallas Police Department the respect and the dignity that is given you. So
I'll
I'm
give you
asking
respect. I mean, look how many people showed up here to talk to me.
I don't want to engage in that conversation.
I mean, if you don't want to have that conversation, that's fine.
And you can go back to business.
I'm doing that. I was doing that. They actually came here and stopped me. So
let me ask you something. If
you can ask me anything you
people
like.
came to your house and started taking pictures,
As long as it's in a public area, they can do it.
Hold on, listen to what I'm saying.
Go ahead.
If you're talking, then you can't be listening. Wouldn't it be incumbent on you to get out of the house and say, hey guys, what's going on? I mean,
That's fine.
We're protecting our house. You could understand that, can't you?
That's fine. You can ask me anything you like.
You can understand that, though, right?
You can ask me.
So that's why these.
So are you
guys
going to let me
here.
finish what I'm saying?
No, I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is, exactly, doesn't want to listen.
Have a safe day, sir.
You too. Y'all have a safe day.
Have a good one, guy.
You too. And what's your name and badge number, sir?
I don't have anything else to say.
You don't have your name and badge number? Isn't that your policy, sir?
Why do law enforcement supervisors attempt to rebrand tax-funded public buildings as private dwellings when challenged by a citizen's camera? Under the public forum doctrine and established Fifth Circuit precedent in Turner v. Driver, citizens maintain an unambiguous right to videotape police officers performing official duties in public spaces without providing justification. While officers have a legitimate interest in operational safety, equating a public sidewalk encounter with criminal conduct, absent reasonable articulable suspicion, RAS, violates standard Terry v. Ohio doctrine, compounded by the supervisor failing basic department policy by refusing to identify. Final performance scorecard, Case 1, Dutch Bros, earns Auditor Mr. Ghost Haha an A for peaceful composure, and the patrol officer an A for correctly upholding public forum rights. Case 2, Dallas Substation, earns Auditor GTA Uppos an A- for standing ground, while Dallas Police receive a D- due to unlawful intimidation and administrative failure to provide identification.